So this doesn't come up much in your book, but I've been seeing it on the problems, and I want to show you as my next thing as part of this lecture. You'll see that the overall equation has NO plus Cl2 makes 2NoCl. And we see that in the slow step, the rate determining step, I have this NoCl2. Now I wonder if you remember what the word is for something that is not in the overall, a substance that's not in the overall. It's called an intermediate, okay? So this is the intermediate, and if I wanted to write the rate law with the intermediate, I would get this. But that is not right, because you can only write the rate law with the substances, the reactants, in the overall reaction. So we have to look, and you can clearly see that this is composed of two of these. So another way of writing this would be K times NO times Cl2 times NO, which we would just then rewrite K NO squared Cl2. So this reaction would be second order with respect to NO, because we need to wait for NO to hit the Cl first, and then second order with respect to, we need to wait for the NO to hit the Cl, and then we need to wait for that intermediate to hit another NO. So NO has to be involved in the reaction twice, and chlorine is only involved once. Okay, so that is that. On your homework, you have to do numbers 49, which 49 has the elementary reactions, which mean the slow step reactions. So all you need to do is write the rate law. So this one is going to be first order with respect to this molecule. Okay, this one would be rate equals, for letter C, you're going to get rate, second letter C, which is actually D. Rate equals K times the O3 to the first and O to the first. Okay, because those are the substances that are determining how fast it goes. Then we need to do 51, which I'm going to hold down here. It gives us a reaction mechanism with a slow step, and it says write the rate law expected, what is the overall balanced equation, and what is the intermediates. So I think you guys can do this. The rate law is going to be determined from the slow step. It's going to be first order. And then what's the overall balanced equation? So you're going to need to add them all together and figure out. And then any of the intermediates are ones that you see in the mechanism, but they don't appear in the overall equation. So I can see already that C4H9 plus is going to be an intermediate, because it's going to cancel out when I add those two things together. And we need to do 51, 52. 52 is very similar to 51. And 65 has a catalyst in it. The catalyst is different because it's going to appear in the reactants and the products. Okay, so you can see that the overall reaction is this, and NO is a reactant, and NO comes back out in the end as a product, so that would be a catalyst. I didn't want to show you on the problem that we were doing for homework, so I'll show you over here. One more example. Sorry. Okay. If you see here in the overall, we have O2 and O3, so NO is going to be my catalyst because it appears over here and on the product side over here, so it's just catalyzing as a reactant and a product. And then one of my intermediates is here, a product in the first step and a reactant in the second step. So that would be an intermediate for that one. Okay, I hope this helps you get started so we can kind of stay on track and come see me with questions.